So let's start with computational thinking for week 5. So our first question is, in the scores table, let S be the list of sequence numbers of rows which have marks greater than 75 at least in one subject. So S is the list in which students have marks greater than 75 at least in one subject. Okay. Then we have to tell what does the variable count represent at the end of execution of the pseudocode given below. So the pseudocode starts with initialization of a integer count is equals to 0. So we have a while loop here, and we read the first row x for each c in S if the sequence is equals to c. So basically we are taking a card whose sequence is c. So definitely this condition will satisfy. And then if mathematics marks is less than 75 and physics marks is also less than 75, also you have to observe its end, so both the conditions should be satisfied, then the count is incremented. So basically maths marks is less than 75 and physics marks is less than 75, and as we were told earlier, the list is of students who have marks at least in one subject which are greater than 75. So definitely chemistry is greater than 75. So we are going to count the students which have the following details, right? So let's see the options. Number of students who have scored less than 75 in both physics and chemistry. Number of students who have scored more than 75 in chemistry. Number of students who have scored less than 75 in both mathematics and physics but more than 75 in chemistry. So C is the most appropriate answer. It has all the details as we have analyzed from the pseudocode, right? So the answer for the first question is going to be C.